So this is my weekly outlook and analysis. So first, I will start with US 30. So I'm going to analyze gold, US 30 and GBP USD, and I think Euro USD as well. But I'm starting with the US 30 first. And at the end of this video, I will also predict the news for this week, for this new week we are entering. I'll tell you guys my view and what I think that the news will do for this week. So watch this video from the beginning to the end so you can be able to see my prediction on the news for this upcoming week. So subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel where I post my free signals every day. And if you want me to teach you the same strategy I use to enter all my trades and the same strategy I use to predict news, kindly go to my website and join my mentorship program, and I will teach you the same strategies that I use to predict news and I use to trade. So you can go to www.rennauzo.com, and the website is in this description of this video. So click on the website and join my mentorship program. So guys, let's get into it. So this is US 30. So let's go to 4 hours and see what I predicted last week. So you guys can see that this is what I predicted that this US is going to do. But last week it was somewhere here because it's in uptrend. So I predicted that it's going to break and retest, which it did the same, break and retest and move up. So it did what I predicted last week. So this week again, US 30 is still in uptrend. So what am I expecting now? This is 4 hours time frame. So I'm also expecting it to break this high. I'm also expecting to break this high, which is break of structure, which is BOS, and this is what I'm expecting to break and retest and continue moving up because it's an uptrend. I follow trend, so I'll keep following this trend until I'm wrong. I'm not going to start saying that it will start dropping from this level to the downside. No, I'm not going to predict that way. I follow trend, so I'll keep following this trend until I'm wrong. As long as this US 30 4 hours time frame didn't do change of character, I'll keep following the uptrend. So I'm not changing my bias. My bias in this US 30 still remain uptrend. So I'm expecting to take out this BOS and retest and keep moving up. And on 15 minutes time frame, so this is what I'm looking at for here. 15 minutes time frame. So already it's already giving us the bottom here, which you can see the bottom. So I'm expecting to take out this high here, this neck of this the bottom is given here, and retest. So I'm expecting to take out this high tomorrow and retest back, then keep moving up. This is what I'm expecting from US 30 on Monday morning when market open, or anytime that the confirmation is complete. So it can be something like this. This level will be your entry point and your stop loss will be below somewhere here, and your target 1 to 2. This is what I'm expecting on US 30, guys. But actually me, I trade only on gold. I trade only on gold. So I'm just doing this US 30 analysis for the sake of this video. I don't trade on US 30. I trade only on gold. I don't trade on GBP USD. I don't trade on Euro USD. I trade only on gold. So, but this is what I'm expecting from US 30 on Monday morning or anytime on Monday. So let's check out GBP USD. So guys, let's go to the 4 hours for GBP USD. So as you can see that GBP/USD massively dropped on Monday, on Friday, which is kind of did this here. You can see this higher high, and this particular candle push up and it didn't take out the high and take out the low. So there is higher high and there is lower high and there is lower low that you dropped here and it take out the lower low. And the GBP/USD has not done the change of character for downtrend. So my bias for GBP/USD is still uptrend, and I am seeing the higher high and higher low and lower low that you take out, but my bias says still uptrend because you have not done the change of character. So until I see change of character on this 4 hours time frame, that's when my bias will change to a downtrend. Now I'm still seeing an uptrend here. Despite this move, I'm still seeing downtrend here, uptrend here on US side. So this GBP/USD might end up doing this. Guys, please forgive me. I'm keep mentioning US30, another pair on this GBP/USD. Please forgive me for that. I don't know why it's coming to my mouth. US30. So I'm expecting this to drop to this level, which is moving average, and maybe continue moving up back. So I'm expecting to reject on this moving average because this is the level that this GBP/USD will do change of character, is at this level. If you take out this low, that's when it will do change of character, which is still far. This market is still far from there. So I believe that it might drop to this zone and test this trend line, then start moving up again. But my bias here, as I still say, my bias says still remain uptrend, because don't be surprised this GBP/USD might reject on this particular candle here. You are seeing this particular 1 second candlestick might reject and start moving up, and there is a psychological level here again. You can see it is 26,500. So it might reject here as well and start moving up. So you can still see something like this. Something like this. So my bias here remain uptrend on this GBP/USD. So let's go down to Euro/USD, and this is 4 hours time from the same thing. Euro/USD and GBP/USD, they are kind of having the same character. I believe that it will also reject here or come somewhere here to test this zone here and start moving up. So I'm also expecting it to do something like this and move up, and there is moving average at this zone as well. So my bias here still remain uptrend despite this move, but this move might not continue. And I do follow trend. So as long as this pair has not done any change of character for me, I'll keep looking for uptrend or for buy confirmation. Or if the movement is kind of massive dropping, I might just leave it until I see pure change of character for downtrend before I can start think of selling. So if this drop continues, if I am to trade this Euro/USD, I might stop trading it for now until I see complete change of character from this zone, until you take out this zone. Then I might start looking for downtrend until I see something like this. Then I'll start looking for downtrend for this Euro/USD. So this is what my prediction is for it. So let's check out gold. So this is gold 4 hours time frame. As you guys can see that gold take out this higher high here There's a higher high here, which you can see that go take it out and drop down, then move up again. It didn't take out this high, then massively drop. So on gold, this is what I'm looking at for right now. For me, gold is in a downtrend now because it take out this high and come back and didn't take out the low, then it move up, didn't take out this high, then take out the low. So for me, for gold now, it did change of character here for me. Gold did change of character here for me. Yeah, so on Monday morning, I'll start looking for sell confirmation on gold. This is one candlestick, I know, but the reason why I'm using this level as my change of character, because you can see that when gold get to this level, it drop and take out this high to form a new higher high, then came back to this level and respect it and move up. So it's showing that this zone is strong for it. So after moving up, then it giving you higher high, lower high, then this lower low end up taking it out. So here I'm using this zone as my change of character. So go the change of character for me, but there is this moving average in 4 hours time frame here that you're rejecting on. So it end up closing on indecision because you can see the candle is indecision candle, so nobody knows where it's going. But sorry guys, my bias here still remain downtrend for gold. It still remain downtrend despite whatever, despite this moving average might reject on it. Yes, might reject this trade and to go and take out this high again. Yes, it's possible, but my bias for gold now still remain downtrend as long as take out this low. It's already taking it out. The change of character for me. So this is what I'm expecting on gold to come back to this zone and drop. So this is what I'm expecting on gold to come back to this zone and drop, which I don't know whether how it will play out, but that's what I'm expecting on gold now to come back here and drop, because my bias for gold now is then trend. So I believe that if we reject from this moving average to upside here, this zone will drop it. So this my bias on gold. So on 15 minutes time frame, so it's same thing, waiting for gold to come back to retest this level that it take out and massively drop. So that's what I'm looking at for 15 minutes time frame on gold. So the guy, that's my bias. So if gold come back to test this one, which is this one, there is moving average here in 15 minutes time frame. So believing that this level we hold it and from there it will drop down. So this is what I'm looking at for thinking on Monday. So let's check out the news. So this is the news we have this coming week. On Monday, as you can see, there is no news, and on Tuesday, wow, there is no news on Tuesday as well. And on Wednesday, okay, we have CB consumer confidence on Tuesday. So my prediction on this news will be buy, guys. It will be buy. I'm predicting that it will be against US dollar. So buy for good on this news. That's what my prediction is. And on Thursday, we still have final GDP. And my prediction on this as well will still be buy. And unemployment claim, still the same thing. But guys, I want to let you guys to know that if gold is in a downtrend and the news end up be buy, definitely it will reject. Don't think that buy will start buying and continue buying. No, it will reject because already we are in a downtrend. So that buy can only go for a certain, maybe from that level to one resistance, then it will drop down. So don't think that the news will buy and you keep buying. No. So if you are thinking of taking the trade, immediately spike up, take your take profit and leave. Don't stay and wait it to keep going up. No, it will not happen. It will reject. So that's another thing. When I predict news, some people maybe might expect it to keep moving to that direction. No, it can reject because this is forex trading. When the trend is downtrend and the news is buy, definitely that news will reject. That uptrend, that buy will not keep going. It will reject unless if it's news that is very strong, or they want to use that news to do change of character, or to maybe take as a, as a complete some imbalances. Then they might push it to that level they want to push it to complete the imbalance before dropping it. So don't stay forever inside the news believing that you keep going up. No. As long as we are on a downtrend and the news is buy, definitely that news will reject and start dropping back. It will buy to a certain level and reject. So just have it in mind. It's always good and okay when maybe the trend is downtrend and the news is sell. Definitely that news will go far because downtrend and news is sell. The same thing when the news is buy and we are in uptrend, definitely that news will definitely buy well because uptrend and the news is also a buy. So definitely everything will correspond and it will move well. So this is core PC, as in core PCE, price index. Well, I'm also predicting that it's going to be buy for gold, and this news as well on Friday. I'm still predicting the same thing. They are going to be buy. So let's see how all this news will play out. But just have it in mind, gold is in up downtrend now. So all this news might reject and keep dropping after they release them. It might spike up and reject. So expect this kind of movement when they release the news, guys. So I think that is it for it. So subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys. God bless.